Be grateful for every breath. It is a gift from God. Hi, I'm Sheetal. Today I'm going to perform asanas and meditations which will help to relieve sinus. The first pose which I'm performing is called Sarvangasana or the shoulder stand pose. I'm beginning this pose by lying on my back and making sure my breathing is normal. Then, I'm lifting both my legs upwards and stopping them at a 90-degree angle from the floor. I'm making the Uttan Padasana posture. As I exhale, I'm lifting my waist and pushing my legs over my head. I'm using both my hands to support my waist. Now, I'm getting my legs, back, and waist in one straight line. I'm stretching my toes towards the sky while keeping my eyes on my toes. Hold this position as long as you are comfortable and make sure the breathing is normal. Now I'm slowly getting back to my initial position. For better results, repeat this exercise 3 to 4 times. The second pose which I am performing is called Sethu Bandhasana or the bridge pose. I am beginning this position by lying on my back and folding my legs by making sure my feet are a hip-width distance apart. The distance should be approximately 10 to 12 inches from the pelvis. Now I am taking my arms beside my body and facing my palms downwards. As I inhale, I'm slowly lifting my lower, middle, and upper back off the floor. Now, I'm gently rolling in the shoulders and touching my chest to the chin without bringing the chin down. Support your weight with your shoulders, arms, and legs. Then, I'm keeping both my thighs parallel to each other on the floor. You may interlace the fingers and push the hands on the floor to lift the torso a little more up, or even support your back with your palms. Make sure the breathing is normal and slow. Remember to hold this position for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute for better results. As I exhale, I'm gently releasing the pose. Yoga connects you to yourself with every breath you take. On this happy note, this is Sheetal taking your leave. Until we meet next, keep growing, keep glowing.